We're in the otter's lair.
Big fucking deal. I want that heated water.
We still have to play it cool, okay? I still go to school here.
You can own this hellhole once you figure out your rewind power.
Chloe is so psyched for Girls' Night Out, so I better follow her evil plan.
Willkommen zurück zu Life is Strange. Gleich vorab kann sein, dass ich zwischendrin aufstehen muss und mein Handy klingelt. Ich erwarte einen Anruf. Gucken wir mal, was abgeht.
Boys or girls?
Jungs, komm.
Boys, of course.
Ist immer wild heute.
Figures. Perv. Let me check to see if the pool's heated.
Schauen wir mal, was hier so geht.
I guess somebody forgot their Blackwell spirit. I guess I should consider this evolution.
Oh, wie süß. Wie süß.
No way am I touching Zach's jersey. Zach is really careless. Doesn't he know what happens when I'm around?
Ich sitze auf einem Football. Ja, gut.
Betty developed that in Jefferson's class. But why? Some poor hipster lost their vape.
Oh.
Sometimes.
Komm, bevor wir uns jetzt hier das komplette Graffiti anschauen, gehen wir erstmal weiter.
Max, try to find the light for the pool. I want to see the sharks.
Otters don't like sharks. They bite.
So do I. Hit that light.
Die Frage ist, wo ist das Licht? Gibt's doch bestimmt eine... Ah, hier, die Lifeguard-Kabine.
There has to be a control panel for the lights around here. Don't even think I'm gonna make a move on you.
Hier, Schalltafel. Auf geht's, schwimmen. Ja, und was ist mit mir?
Time to do or dive, Max.
Hallo. Kann ich wenigstens mit der sprechen oder irgendwas? Ah.
Oh yeah, baby. Feels like a hot tub. Too bad you made me feel like the queen of assholes because I wanted that cash stash. Tell me you're not gonna stand there watching me like a zombie. Don't you dare! Come stop me, hippie.
Okay, you asked for it. Cowabunga!
Why, look, an otter in my water. Dun 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 dun.
You are so obvious. And I still get freaked out by that movie, so stop. I can't even watch any of those shark shows. I'll just rewind and harpoon you. Otter's revenge.
Cheater.
Yeah, you wouldn't know about that.
I wish Rachel was here. She would totally love being in here at night. Wish you guys had met each other.
We will. With all this stuff going on, I'm starting to think everything is related. And I want to find out for Kate's sake. She almost died today.
Your power is changing everything, Max. Especially you. I can already tell. You're not so chicken shit anymore.
Thanks, girlfriend.
You know what I mean. You're becoming like this force of nature.
More like luck of nature. Come on, my power failed trying to rescue Kate. Maybe I'm just stumbling back and forth in time. For what reason?
You didn't stumble when you saved me, Max.
Not that time. But that's because you were there to kickstart my power.
So it's time to start moving forward in time. And we're obviously connected, since without me, you would have never discovered your power, right?
Absolut.
Absolutely. You make me feel like I know what I'm doing.
And you make me feel like I have a reason for still being in Arcadia Bay.
I hope so.
Stop being so goddamn humble. You're like the smartest, most talented person I've ever known.
More than Rachel Amber?
Dude, I'm not her groupie, okay? And I'm sure you have Blackwell bros all over you. Like Warren.
Warren is nice.
Nice? Ouch. That means friend zone.
No, he's really cool. It was so sweet when he stood up to Nathan. But I haven't told him about my rewind power.
No worries. Once you get over yourself, you're gonna make the world bow.
As long as you're there with me.
Don't look so sad. I'm never leaving you.
Now I'm getting cold in here.
Because we're yapping instead of attacking each other, otter versus shark style. I think I've had my pool experience for the year. Let's check.
Let's call it a draw. I'm gonna freeze my ass off when I get out. Gross. I feel like we just went swimming in Chlorine Bay.
You look cute with your hair soaked in chemicals.
Thanks. You would know.
Hide!
Jetzt wird's spannend. Ich muss aber meinen Controller laden. Bin gleich wieder da. Runter, runter, hoch, hoch. Okay, da bin ich wieder. Hab's Kabel an den Controller gehängt und jetzt müssen wir natürlich schauen,
Move, Max. Don't waste your power on getting busted.
dass wir nicht erwischt werden. Gerade mal gucken.
Are you shitting me?
Dude, hide! Like when we were kids.
I could use my power. Or just look for a hiding spot. Or both.
Where are they? Hello?
Aha, nee. Lieber eine andere. Hier.
Hey!
Shit. Gut, schön
Where
Zeit
are they?
geben.
Hello?
Weiter hinten verstecken. Vielleicht klappt es ja.
Hello? Anybody there?
Super. Und
Better
raus.
not try any Halloween pranks after today. I'm serious.
Um die
I
Kurve.
heard something over here.
Fuck.
We are so invisible. Let's bail.
Ich hätte ehrlich gesagt gedacht, ich komme am falschen Ende raus. Aber es hat noch funktioniert. Sehr schön.
Wait, turn around. They're coming. We have to find another way out.
Oh, this is bullshit. You can't go back to your dorm now. You're a Blackwell fugitive. Crash at my place tonight.
You want me to crash where the Blackwell security officer lives so I'll be safe? Okay.
Into the car. Get in. Later, fuckers. Max, you rock. We are so fucking awesome.
Yes, we so are.
Nochmal Glück gehabt, würde ich sagen.
Always remember this moment.
Photobomb.
Photo hog. It feels like a different world from yesterday.
We left a skid mark on Blackwell last night.
Like it needs another one. I'd like to do something good for my school in Arcadia Bay. I can't even submit my photo to represent. I just don't want to be rejected.
Every great artist gets rejected before they get accepted. So you have to enter a photo.
Even though I'm pimping the school in town you want to torch?
Come on, I don't want to see Arcadia Bay burn to the shore. I just say shit like that because I've been trying to get out of here since you left, basically. If I could find Rachel, then pay Frank off, I'm still leaving to start a whole new life.
Wish we could just hang out all morning like we used to. Maybe we should get up. I have to get back to Blackwell soon.
Oh, does the schoolgirl have a test today?
I'm starting to feel like going to Blackwell every day is a test. I just need to get on my regular school schedule again.
I know that it is freezing, but I think we have to walk.
So, ich stehe mal direkt auf in der Hoffnung, dass ich die Musik ausmachen kann, bevor es wieder Copyright-Probleme gibt.
Okay, I need to get dressed now. I love this song.
Gut, super. Gehen wir zu den Affen.
I love this morning light. It's so peaceful.
Wouldn't it be wicked if we could just hang out here forever like when we were kids?
Yes, but sadly we're not kids anymore.
At least you can date now, right? My dad was terrified of the day I would discover boys.
As Blackwell proves, boys are trouble.
And way fucking gross. As you'll discover soon enough.
Oh, okay, woman of the world. Please tell me what it's like to get that first magic kiss.
Sorry. Didn't mean to get you all worked up. I just don't think anybody is good enough for you. Besides me. Hey, lazy ass, put some clothes on. Then we can scarf the awesome breakfast Joyce is cooking.
No, you have
Dann wollen wir mal schauen,
I can feel it when
wo meine Klamotten sind.
Man, if I had stayed hidden, David wouldn't be targeting me.
we've thrown their backs out. Trying to
Ja gut, hier.
Ew, still reeks like a chlorine factory.
count
See if you can find a suitable outfit in my fashion hole.
love I saw you.
Okay, time for some Chloe cosplay.
Hey, there you go. Rachel left a bunch of her clothes with me. She's your size.
But not quite my style.
Max, you don't have a style yet. At least give it a try. You can always rewind back to your chlorine brand t-shirt and generic jeans.
You suck. I like my shirt and jeans. But it would be cool to try on Rachel's clothes just to see if they fit.
Stop second-guessing yourself, Max. Put this on and let your inner punk rock girl come out. You can afford to take chances whenever and whatever you want to try. For example, I dare you to kiss me.
What?
I double dare you. Kiss me now.
Machen wir.
Damn, you're hardcore, Max. Now I can text Warren and tell him he doesn't stand a chance. Unless he's into girl-on-girl action.
You're such a dork.
Might die from medication.
So ein Tipp.
That was priceless when I kissed Chloe. She didn't think I would.
What was normal in the evening by the morning seems insane. And I'm not sure what the trouble was.
Looking sick, Max? A couple tats, some piercings, and we'll make a thrasher out of you yet.
Ready for the mosh pit, Shaka Bra.
Reasons are
What
Maybe
the
not.
fuck?
run away.
Go on down and say hi to Joyce. Free breakfast. I have to wake and bake first.
I promise not to tell.
Let's not rewind and find out, okay?
Would recommend
Alles klar, dann gehen wir jetzt direkt runter und holen uns unser wohlverdientes Frühstück.
Oh my god, that smells so amazing. It's like when we were kids here. I better not go in there. David might be in bed. Ew. No way. That's the bluebird I saved Monday in Joyce's room.
Es ist aber immer noch nicht möglich, ein Foto zu machen von dem. Eventuell, wenn ich das Fenster hier aufmache und freilasse?
For everybody else in the neighborhood, it's just another morning.
Ne, funktioniert nicht. Hopp, dann gehen wir runter. Und holen uns Essen.
Good morning, Joyce.
Rachel, I mean Max. Oh, you startled me. Well, you fit those clothes well. Thank God you're not a hellraiser like her or Chloe. Now tell me exactly what you want to chow on.
Eggs and bacon all the way.
Remember when you guys would sleep in until I yelled out, "Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey"?
Totally. We'd wake up so fast.
So this time you can help me with the ingredients. I need you to grab me the actual eggs and the bacon.
I can handle eggs and bacon. The eggs always come first, as Joyce used to say.
Bacon wird dann wohl im Kühlschrank sein.
I should evolve and become a vegan, but bacon.
Thanks. After all these years and everything that's happened, it's great to see you and Chloe together again. She hasn't had a good friend since you or Rachel. Oh, those clothes remind me so much of her. Such a sweet girl. I'm just hoping she's living large in LA.
I'd love to think that too, Joyce, but
We're on the same page, Max. I keep hoping that Rachel will show up or even send a message to Chloe from Hollywood. Or wherever she is.
I hate to even think this, much less say it out loud, but I think Rachel is in serious trouble.
I know. I watch those awful true crime shows, and it makes me ill if I think about Rachel ending up on one. So I don't think too much.
I see why Chloe is so obsessed with finding her.
Max Caulfield, are you actually jealous of Rachel?
Maybe. Rachel was so much cooler than me.
You think? Then why has Chloe been telling me she wishes she could be more like you over the past 5 years?
Doubt it. Did she really? 5 years ago feels like 1,000 now.
And that makes me what, a century old? You're only 18, Max. Oh, youth. If only I could go back.
It's not all that, Joyce.
Voila, a breakfast fit for us queens. And a king. Go sit at the table.
Dann wollen wir uns mal hinsetzen. Und meine Stimme will nicht mehr so, wie ich es gerne hätte.
Oh man, I don't want to be famous for this. I guess nobody waters the plant here. Thank you so much, Joyce. I'm never leaving this table.
Good, you can clean.
Bring those eggs and bacon to my belly.
Bring those bags and bacon to my belly.
I'm glad that's creamy and not crunchy.
Aiken. What the fuck? Was ist los mit mir?
Seeing you again, made me remember so much. I know these photos don't measure up to your work, Max.
My favorite photographers probably take pictures similar to yours. You make David happy, Joyce.
He wants us all to be happy, Max. He's just not great at showing it.
I don't think I can rock this outfit like Rachel.
You have your own cool style.
Wowzer. I totally remember that day.
I'm glad. William took this picture with his instant camera. Oh, it was the last picture he ever took. He had his car out right after this, and
I know, Joyce. I'm sorry.
I didn't show you this to be morbid. In fact, I want you to have this. This was when my baby was so full of life and light. She was hopeful, positive, everything she's not today. And this was the last time I ever saw Chloe truly happy.
Did you guys have a bonding session about how fucked up I am?
It's not always about you.
Chloe, please, it's too early to start picking a fight. Eat instead.
I'll keep the warden busy while you go peek in the garage.
Now stop whispering, or I'll know you're talking about me.
Stop being so nosy, Mother. Jeez, I can't do anything around here without everybody getting up in my shit.
No one can even joke with you, Chloe. You fly off the handle like that.
Excuse me. I have to use the bathroom.
Sure, run off and pee when you should back me up.
Now who's being paranoid? Just listen to yourself.
Nobody else does.
I do need to get into David's computer. He's gotta be hiding shit. No shit, it needs a password. How about step douche? Try again. I need more clues.
Okay, Wo gab es dieses Passwort oder den Hinweis
Nothing
dafür?
to see here. Maybe I could try stepdad for the password. Nothing in it. Naturally, David would buy a heavy... I can even see the combination. That might be a useful password.
Warum nicht? Je mehr Auswahlmöglichkeiten wir haben, umso besser finde ich's. Schaut mal das wieder aus.
Maybe this ID number might work. I could try the license number for the password.
Oh, das Datum, ne? Viele nehmen ja irgendein Datum.
Looks like David has read this a lot. What did he learn?
Probieren wir es aus. Familie.
Worst hacker ever. Try again. No way, Max. You totally froze the laptop.
Ups. Privat.
Nope. No way, Max.
Oh, nicht schon wieder. Hopp, ich will ein paar mehr Versuche. Los. Sehr schön. Privat hat man noch und die Nummer hier.
Such wrong.
Da. Zurück. Aufhören. Okay, alles was ich bisher gemacht habe, war komplett für den Arsch.
David has been dragging his head around since 2001? Cute. Can't picture David driving Joyce around with this on the car. Obviously, David's parents care about him. That date might be a good password.
Ich nehme das Datum. Komm, Datum macht am meisten Sinn. Das wäre dann Familie und das Datum.
Oh, shitballs. No way, Max.
Och. Was hatte man? Das Jagen hat man als nächstes, oder? Privat.
Magic 8 Ball says no. No, what?
Ich krieg's nicht hin. Scheiß Passwort.
Joyce might as well have wrote "Let's get married." That might be a useful password.
Die Rechnung oder was? What the fuck?
Even David Madsen might be an angel to somebody else.
So, dann hätten wir 2 weitere Hinweise, die eventuell was sein könnten. Gehen wir auf Privat. Ne, da hat man alles. Dann gehen wir auf Family und auf 27.11.8.
Score! Max the hacker strikes again. Whoa, spoiler alert. Rachel definitely hooked up with Frank. But why does David care? Instead of stalking Kate, David could have helped her. This is so wrong. Ugh, creepy bastard. I better tell Chloe about this now. It's just one more thing to make her sad. And mad.
So, ich will zurückgehen, damit das Ding wieder verschlossen ist. Genau.
Whoa, spoiler alert.
Nee.
Rachel definitely hooked up with Frank. But why does David care?
Ja, yeah, schön. Sonst merkt er das am Schluss noch, ne? Dass ich an dem PC war.
Nice breakfast.
David, you back already?
I have to take a nap after writing up vandalism reports last night.
What happened?
Some little shit-ass punks broke into the swimming pool. This is what happens at these PC bullshit colleges. Entitled students taking over the campus.
Do you know for sure it was Blackwell students?
Who else would do it? And I'm gonna bust them. Figures you'd be here. Is that your Rachel Amber Halloween costume?
You know more about her than me.
No. You and Chloe think you know more than anybody. Like all teenagers.
Leave Max alone, David. Stop threatening students.
He threatens them with surveillance cameras, so he can spy on everybody. Like he spies on all of us here.
Don't start, Chloe. Not now.
Yeah, I'm just always starting shit, right? You're a total paranoid, David.
Not now, Chloe.
You used to call me a loser for getting kicked out of Blackwell. So who's the loser now, David? Who haven't you accused or harassed? Between your investigations into Rachel and Kate, what have you done besides get in trouble?
Ich setze mich für Chloe ein.
You're a bully, David. I saw you harass Kate Marsh when she was going through hell. You could have totally helped her. Everybody at Blackwell is a suspect to you, except for Nathan Prescott. That's why the students and faculty don't like you. You even threatened me. I do respect your service, but you don't respect anybody.
You were smoking pot in Chloe's room. That's illegal.
So is spying on people in your family and at your work. Why do you have photos of Kate Marsh and Rachel Amber in your files anyway?
What? Is this true, Max? Yes, David. Why do you have these files at all? I find this very disturbing.
I do not have to take this kind of interrogation. Not from you punks.
Maybe you should calm down.
Oh, you're turning on me now, huh? Of course. Women always stick together. Well, screw you.
David, you better go to a hotel until we figure this out.
You can't kick me out of my own home.
It's my home, David. Paid for and in my name. You know the law, right?
Oh, I thought I knew a lot of things. Like when I'm outflanked.
Have a nice day.
Chloe, for once, just please shut up.
I hope Joyce doesn't hate me for tearing into David.
Ich lasse die Entscheidung so, wie sie
I don't
ist.
want to see or hear you again, Max. You've hurt me and my family enough.
Max, that gave me chills. And you better not rewind this one.
Jetzt ist die Frage. Ja, hau mal ab. Ja.
Listen, when I went through David's laptop, I found pictures of Rachel and Frank being more than friends.
Right, no way, Max. She was just posing to tease Frank.
If you're not gonna believe me, why don't we check out what Frank has in his RV?
What's that gonna prove?
Frank has Rachel's bracelet. What else does he have in there?
Motherfucker better not have anything. For his sake. Let's check the door. Frank gets so wasted, he sometimes forgets to lock it.
I can't believe you hung out with him.
Not anymore. We have to be casual ninjas here. Shitballs. Okay, here's the plan. I'll go to the diner and distract Frank by telling him I have his money, but he needs to come with me. Then you come in and rewind so Frank doesn't see me. Then you can tell Frank he needs to check out his RV, and then you rewind after you get the key, and...
Chloe, I got this. I'll be right back.
Don't let my epic plan get in the way of yours. I'll try to scrounge up a Scooby snack to distract his mangy mutt.
Now to find a quick and easy way to snag Frank's keys.
So, und wie wir ins Wohnmobil reinkommen und wie es weitergeht, seht ihr beim nächsten Mal. Danke fürs Zuschauen. Ich hoffe, ihr hattet Spaß und bis dann.